the last frontier. For centuries, humanity had been an eager, curious species, pushing the boundaries of the known universe. From their first ventures into space, they had expanded, colonized, and explored, each new step marked by progress, struggle, and the thrill of discovery. Yet there was one region of space that had remained untouched, an area so terrifying and unstable that even the most advanced alien civilizations avoided it. A vast galactic rift, a place where the laws of physics seemed to break down, where reality itself appeared to warp and twist in ways no one could comprehend. The rift was a patchwork of unstable space, where violent energy storms, black holes, and spatial anomalies made navigation impossible. Other species, far more advanced than humanity, had tried and failed to venture into the rift. Their ships, despite their advanced technology, were either torn apart by the chaotic energy, lost in the uncharted space, or destroyed by the unknown forces that lurked within. Most species had long since deemed the rift a place of cosmic death, a boundary beyond which no one dared venture. But humanity, always the underdogs in the galactic community, saw this forbidden zone as a challenge, a frontier to conquer. The humans, known for their remarkable adaptability and ingenuity, believed that where others had failed, they could succeed. With a mixture of scientific determination and reckless courage, humanity embarked on a bold experiment. They launched a specially designed ship, the Odyssey, with the goal of exploring the rift and uncovering its mysteries. The ship was a marvel of human engineering, equipped with experimental technologies designed to stabilize its path through the unpredictable forces of the rift. It had shields capable of withstanding extreme gravitational forces, advanced sensors that could measure and adapt to the fluctuating energy fields, and a crew composed of the best minds humanity had to offer. They were prepared for anything, except what they would actually find. When the Odyssey crossed the event horizon of the rift, the crew braced for impact, expecting their ship to be torn apart by the forces of space. Instead, they found that the ship remained steady, its advanced systems compensating for the chaotic environment. To their astonishment, they realized that the rift was not the deadly trap they had been led to believe. It was, in fact, a region of space that seemed to resonate with the very qualities that made humanity unique: adaptability and resilience. The rift, with all its violent energy storms and unpredictable anomalies, was chaotic, yes, but it was also alive with possibility. The human ship, designed with the capacity for self-adjustment and constant reconfiguration, thrived in this unstable environment. The crew adapted quickly to the new rules of the rift, learning to navigate through the storms, using them to their advantage. They found that their biological and technological flexibility allowed them to harness the rift's chaotic energy, rather than be destroyed by it. As the days turned into weeks, and the weeks into months, the Odyssey ventured deeper into the rift. The crew discovered pockets of strange and unexplored matter, alien life forms that had adapted to the extreme conditions, and phenomena that defied explanation. They mapped the rift, charting its zones of stability and chaos, identifying patterns in its instability that others had overlooked. The further they went, the more they realized that the rift was not just a deadly anomaly. It was a vast, untapped frontier full of resources, new species, and untold opportunities. Word of humanity's success spread across the galaxy, sending shockwaves through the galactic community. Species that had once considered humans insignificant, or even a nuisance, now watched in awe as humans not only survived in the rift, but thrived. The rift had once been a place of fear, an area where no one dared to tread. Now, thanks to humanity's ingenuity, it had become the new frontier of exploration and commerce. Other species, eager to access the riches of the rift and the potential it offered, approached humanity for assistance. At first, many of these species were reluctant, their pride stung by the thought that a primitive species like humanity had succeeded where they had failed. But as the humans continued to dominate the rift, controlling trade routes, guiding expeditions, and protecting the delicate balance of the region, the rest of the galaxy was forced to acknowledge humanity's dominance in this previously forbidden zone. The Odyssey was soon joined by a fleet of human ships, each one equipped to navigate the rift's strange and dangerous environment. Humanity, once seen as a fringe species, had become the de facto masters of the rift. They established permanent stations within the rift, set up trade routes that spanned the most dangerous corners of the galaxy, and began to chart paths through the rift that no other species had ever dared attempt. They were not only surviving in the rift, they were reshaping it. But the rift, as magnificent as it was, did not reveal all its secrets so easily. The more humanity explored, the more they encountered strange, unknown forces that seemed to resist their presence. Powerful energy storms, shifts in gravitational fields, and enigmatic phenomena began to challenge even the ingenuity of human scientists. The rift was not an easy place to tame, and soon, humanity had to confront not only the physical dangers of this new frontier, but also the deeper mysteries hidden within its core. There were whispers of ancient civilizations that had once tried to conquer the rift, only to disappear without a trace. Some said the rift was alive, a sentient force that tested those who dared to explore it. Others spoke of ancient, forgotten technology buried deep within the rift's heart, capable of altering the very fabric of space-time. But despite the dangers and the unknowns, humanity pressed on, driven by the same spirit of exploration and resilience that had always defined them. Over time, humans began to reshape their place in the galaxy. The rift, once a place of fear, was now the center of human expansion, a frontier that belonged to them. Their adaptability and resourcefulness had not only allowed them to survive the journey, but had made them the undisputed masters of the most dangerous region in the galaxy. And as humanity continued to push deeper into the rift, they realized that they had discovered something far greater than new worlds or untapped resources. They had found a place where their potential was limitless, where their ability to adapt and thrive had unlocked the secrets of the universe itself. The rift, once a dark, mysterious unknown, had become the shining example of humanity's ability to survive, to explore, and to conquer the last frontier. This story is inspired by the original premise and follows humanity's journey to not only survive but thrive in the galactic rift, turning a feared and avoided space into a new frontier for exploration and expansion. It emphasizes humanity's adaptability, resilience, and ingenuity in overcoming even the most perilous of challenges.